If you're seeing a HubSpot error 409, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve it fast. A 409 error is often a conflict issue, which means HubSpot is trying to complete an action, but something on the page, your browser, or your session is getting in the way. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now, let's get started. The first and easiest thing to try is refreshing the page. Sometimes the error happens because the page didn't load correctly or the session timed out for a moment. Go ahead and refresh your browser, then try the action again. If the error is still there, the next step is to log out of HubSpot completely and then log back in. This gives you a fresh session and can clear temporary account conflicts that may be triggering the 409 message. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. Old browser data can sometimes conflict with HubSpot's current session and cause the error to keep appearing. After clearing the cache, close the browser, reopen it, and sign back into HubSpot. Another very common fix is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with HubSpot pages and create unexpected errors. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. Turn off your extensions one by one or disable them all temporarily, then reload HubSpot and check if the error is gone. If the issue disappears, you'll know one of those extensions was the cause. If you still see the 409 error, try switching networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes network conflicts, VPNs, or unstable connections can interrupt the request HubSpot is trying to make. A clean connection can make all the difference. Once you've gone through those steps, try the action in HubSpot again. In many cases, one of these quick fixes will resolve the conflict and get everything working normally. The key is to test each step one at a time so you can figure out what's causing the issue. So to recap, if you need to fix HubSpot error 409, start by refreshing the page, then log out and log back in, clear your browser cache, disable extensions, and switch your network if needed. These simple troubleshooting steps solve the problem for most users. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know to make more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.